And I'm excited, and I want to welcome you here to this event. I want to extend a heartfelt welcome to all of you, all our brilliant young competitors, dedicated coaches, proud families, and enthusiastic supporters. So a lot of you are here today at Nationals through hard work, lots of practice. Who out there has practiced a lot for this event? Who put in a lot of time practicing? Now let's talk about why we're all here today. In a world that's changing faster than ever and is driven by artificial intelligence and robotics, events like this aren't just competitions, they're launch pads for the next generation of leaders. What these kids are doing isn't easy. Building and programming robots that navigate complex challenges takes practice, hard work, and an incredible amount of patience. There will be triumphs, there will be setbacks, but that's the beauty of robotics. It's not about perfection on the first try, it's about learning from every iteration, every debug, and every huddle. Over the next few days, from practice sessions to the thrilling competition rounds and awards on Sunday, we'll all be seeing amazing displays of talent. And for those that qualify, this could be your ticket to representing the USA National Robotics team on the world stage, like at the World Robot Olympiad International Finals in Singapore. Without further ado, let's launch this championship. Competitors, get ready to innovate. Families, get ready to be inspired. And let the 2025 USEL Youth Robotics National Championships begin on behalf of World Robot Olympiad USA.
We are very confident with what we have right now. We are 3 points off from a perfect score, and we have measures in place to reduce our time in the next run. So we're very excited going into the next opportunity to compete.
So it's a good start, and I think definitely what we did this morning and yesterday, this shows we're on the right track. So if we keep iterating, we might have a chance. So we're looking optimistic.
I think the first round went well because we got all the satellites and we never did that before.
I think we did fairly well. I think there's still things we can improve, but I think we overall did like a good job.
I think the most exciting part is either being like on the podium or like getting first, and also like looking at other people's robots and like seeing how they work.
I think programs like this for students are good because they help you learn something new. They help you learn things about robots, and if you're very interested in that, it really helps you learn more about that.
I'm feeling great actually because this is my first time being here actually, and like I appreciate the opportunity of me being here, and I'm hoping we win.
We are gonna start in round 2, so referees, so parents, let's give a round of applause to our competitors as they get ready to run their robots for a second round. We're gonna go ahead and open round 2 in 3, 2, 1, robot.
I think round 2 went great because we got full points. There were some spots we could improve, but overall I think we did good.
We actually slowed down round 2 a lot more than round 1 because we didn't get full points in round 1. I think we want to try and get it like faster because speed is being taken as like a tiebreaker right now. So we want to speed up for round 3, but we did good for round 2.
For round 2, we got really lucky. Like we weren't supposed to get some bolts in the right in a certain spot, but how it turned out, it was amazing.
I feel a lot more confident, but I'm still kind of nervous, especially now that we only have one more round and we have one more chance. But I think with our abilities, we are going to be able to do it, and we're going to be doing a lot more better, and hope we get a spot for Team USA.
After round 2, I feel very confident because first round we were in 14th place and second round we were in 6th place. So I'm very proud of our team.
Round 3, like it could have gone perfectly, but due to like a little something we're not entirely sure of, it kind of went pretty bad.
I think it went pretty well, and we're really excited that we got a 166, but we have to be ready for tomorrow since there's a lot of points in tomorrow's challenge.
The other teams were really close to us, so we had to we spent the whole time trying to make it faster, so we were ahead of them.
We won the competition. I'm very excited. I didn't expect that, but we just won.
I just feeling so happy. We are top scholar and we win for the WRO Future Engineer 2025.
I want to appreciate my coach, Mr. Wu, right here.
Going to the internationals is a great opportunity to for self-improvement. This is actually a very challenging competition. Yeah, so it's just unbelievable, but we made it.